The optional CATIA module for ASAP allows you to directly import native CATIA parts into ASAP. Let's take a look at how we'd import a native CATIA file directly into ASAP. Opening up CATIA, I've designed a simple illumination optic, a faceted reflector, and what I want to do is save this as a native CATIA part and then import it into ASAP. So we'll just save the part, and I'll just do a file save. Now I'm going to close down CATIA, and let's go into ASAP. And what I'll do is from the File Open option, in the Files of Type, let me go down until I can find the CAD files, including the *.cat part, the native CATIA format. So let's select files of that type, and here's my faceted reflector. And if I simply choose that file, I can then go through the ASAP import procedure, and I'm going to accept, in this case, not all of the options because what I've created is a surface. If I come down here to the geometry filter, you'll see that the default is to import all the solids. You can also optionally choose either simply the main solid or all surfaces. I've simply defined a one surface faceted reflector, so in this particular case, I'll just simply choose all of the surfaces. It doesn't matter about all solids, leaving that checked because there are no solids in this file. So I'll just click on OK, and now we'll go through the process. And here's the part that's been imported into ASAP. And I can come into this importing option here, and I can define some new parameters. Since I know this is a reflecting surface, I can assign a reflecting coating to the object as a whole. I could also do this within my ASAP script as well, but I might as well do it in this location. I also can set up my interface properties, and in particular, I know my reflector is going to have an air-to-air interface. The other thing I might want to do is choose to color all of the facets one color. Leaving them individual colors makes it easier to find some of the parts or identify specific facets, but for our case, I just want to make everything one color, and I'll just click on OK. The other thing I might want to do is add my own name. If I had named it in the CAD program, the names and the layering structure would have come over as well, but since I didn't do it there, what I'm going to do is simply call this faceted, and then just click on OK. The object has been renamed, and let's just finish the process. And now we have our file in an ASAP script file that's already been saved for us into our working directory. And let's see how it works. I'm just going to run the file. And now let's take a look at the system. And I'll do a View Facets. And here's my faceted reflector directly brought in to ASAP from CATIA.